SARS coronavirus 2 has led to the most challenging global health crisis in the last 100 years. Infection can manifest itself in a range of clinical symptoms, which together are defined as COVID-19, that so far has claimed over 4 million lives. At the veterinary faculty, we have the knowledge, equipment and facilities, a laboratory with biosafety level 3 that permits work with the infectious SARS coronavirus 2, as well as work with SARS coronavirus 2 infected experimental animals. Thus, at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, we became partners in the following projects: immunogenicity and efficacy test of DNA-based vaccine and protein-based vaccines, development and efficacy safety testing of therapeutic peptides for COVID-19, development and efficacy safety testing of the therapeutic chicken immunoglobulins for COVID-19, and efficacy and safety test of various lipid and protein molecules as potential therapeutic agents for COVID-19. The knowledge and working environments that we have at veterinary faculty allow us to work on a diverse set of products that have the potential to protect and/or treat the COVID-19, as well as to reduce environmental contamination with the virus. Through our work, we are contributing in efforts to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic.